Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today we are going to talk about and explain Woodward DRU controller. The meaning of DRU, the full form of DRU is Digital Reference Units. This is the Woodward controller. If I am not mistaken, this is the model of 8272 model of Woodward actuator controller. Okay. Before starting the video, I have small request to all of you. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos first. One of my subscriber, he told me and asking me from, please make a video on Woodward DRU controller. Now this video for him. Today we are explain the set point parameters of DRU controller and wiring connection of DRU controller and how this DRU controller actually works. First of all, this is the pin out for wiring connection. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 pin is going to the actuator, which on mounted on a fuel pump to control the fuel system. Okay, red wire, black, white and finally जो 5 number है, the last one 5 number is red. Okay, after that 6, 7, 8, this 3 wire is going to the potentiometer, adjustable potentiometer. That's mean variable resistor. After that the 9 number, that's all is the chassis ground for the all wiring shield wire is attached with the G. This is for the chassis ground with all wiring. Okay. After that, 10 and 11 number pins is out for the MPU. MPU means magnetic pickup unit, speed sensor. Okay. Hall effect sensor. After that, if you done the wiring, if after that you need to set the set points of parameters. This is all are small potentiometer like a variable resistance. This one is actuator. You need to select this one to 3 o'clock, and another one is gain. You select the gain to the 9 o'clock. After that the DER. That's one. Select to the set point to the 10 o'clock. After that the enter. Select the enter to the 8 o'clock and select the limb. That's one. To the 10 o'clock. It's the setting of digital reference unit Woodward controller. Okay. This actuator is working digitally to control the fuel system, actuation system, the speed control. We are using this controller in a mini generator and a synchronization, like a power grid, like a mini generator running in a parallel. We need to install this controller. This controller is working digitally and perform the operation of our engine to match the speed of the engine with another engine, match the frequency, match the output voltage of every single generator. This all are connected to each other to control the synchronization of parallel generator. So I hope you understand the working of the Woodward actuator and set points. So thanks for watching my video. See you all next time and goodbye.